So this is the radish bed that Tom was seeding last time. And you can see we've got lots of nice little radish seedlings going up all over the place. He sowed a little bit more thickly than I did. So we're gonna have lots of fun thinning those out as they come up and make radishes. Radishes are neat like that. You can let them grow up, and the first ones that make, you pull those, and then some more make and you pull those. Then this is how the garlic and radish beds are doing. So this is where we have the Enchilium red, and you can see they're up and doing just wonderfully. Got a bunch of nice radishes growing. Oh, hi kitty. Look at you. And then over here you can see pretty plainly now the 2 rows of turnips are coming up. And then this bed has the radishes and then the Moroccan Creole garlic. I don't know if you can see them very well, but they're poking up there, getting a good start. Now we'll cover these up tonight. It's gonna get pretty chilly for the next couple of days, and we don't want to lose them, so we're gonna cover these beds tonight. But I just wanted to bring you guys out and let you see how we're progressing little by little. That's our Thanksgiving harvest.